Welcome to how to use STYLPRO's 2-in-1 Sonic Dermaplane. Within your box you'll receive one Sonic Dermaplane device, 3 facial blades, 3 eyebrow trimming blades and a protective case for on the go. The eyebrow trimming blade has no silicone cap at the top and this will allow a closer, neater shave. Your larger surface face blade will have a small cap to protect any large surface areas. To charge your Sonic Dermaplane, use the USB-C provided, plug into the charging port and 3 lights will appear on the side of the device. To get going, choose the blade of your choice, insert into the top of the device and listen for the click. This means it's secured in place. Always ensure your skin is clean and makeup free before using the Dermaplane. To turn on the device, press the on button at the side and a light will appear and mode 1 vibration will start. A short press will take you to mode 2 and a short press again will take you to mode 3 of vibration. We always recommend you start with vibration setting 1. Hold the device at a 45-degree angle against the skin for a light exfoliation and to remove any peach fuzz. Do not press hard. To turn off your Sonic Dermaplane, long hold the off button, pop into your handy travel bag to keep safe and you're good to go. To remove and change over blades, press the button at the top to eject the blade. You can then swap over, handling with care to pop in the next one. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, email teamtom@stylideas.com.